a red onion, which I sliced in here. You can use any onion for this recipe that you like. I like how this pickles, and that's why I'm using red. I'm adding 1.5 cups of distilled vinegar to this. I decided to put beets into my pickled eggs, and so I'm using a 450-gram can of beets. You don't have to. The next thing can be just water if you want. I just love how the eggs get kind of pink, and I just like it. So I took the beets out, and I'm going to measure the water. I mean the juice. I have 2/3. I'm going to add a third cup of water to this so that I have a whole cup. I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of sea salt. 1 teaspoon of raw cane sugar. Use the sugar you have. And I'm going to use pickling spices. I'll put the list of what's on these. There's mustard seeds, dill seeds, allspice, bay leaf, coriander seed, black pepper, and chili pepper in this. If you don't have pickling spices, just add any of the spices I read. I'm going to write them down for you in the description box, okay? So I'm going to add 3 teaspoons. So we're going to stir this until the sugar and the salt are dissolved, and we're going to bring it to a boil and turn off the heat. I have a smashed garlic clove here, which I'm going to put in my 1 quart jar. And I'm going to put a layer of beets on it. I'm going to dig out some of that onion, and I'm going to put it on top of the beets. I'm going to throw in a bay leaf. These are hard-boiled eggs. I'm going to link a short on how I make these for you, but they're hard-boiled and peeled, as you can see. So I'm going to add 3 of them now. Another layer of beets. Onion. And 3 more eggs. 2, 3. Little more beets. Guys, if you had dill, oh, that would go beautiful in here. I don't. Wait for your brine to cool down a little bit, and then we're going to pour it in here, okay? All right, we're going to pour this into the jar. Whatever you have left over is delicious already. Keep it and, you know, eat it on a salad or just like that, or inside a taco or in a sandwich. Those onions are delicious. I am going to cover this and put it in the fridge for 1 week, and then we will check it out. So, time to taste our pickled eggs. These have been in the fridge for a week. Oh, those onions. Same for the beets, yummy. We got a pink egg. Let's try it out. Delicious. If you like pickled eggs, I think you're gonna like this recipe. Yum. Oh, this is such a great snack. Thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna see you soon.